Welcome to Sweet Life Beet Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make sweet pickled beets using an easy method. First, select about 2 pounds of fresh beets. Wash them well, then trim off the tops and roots. Boil the beets until they are tender, which usually takes between 20 and 30 minutes. Once cooled, the skins will slip right off, and you can slice them into nice 1/4 inch rounds, ready for pickling. Next, let's create that delicious sweet and tangy brine. In a saucepan, combine 1 1/2 cups of white vinegar with 1 cup of water. Stir in 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt. For a classic flavor, add 1/2 teaspoon of whole cloves and 1/4 teaspoon of allspice. Bring this mixture to a boil, stirring gently until all the sugar has fully dissolved, creating a perfect pickling liquid. Now it's time to bring everything together. Carefully pack your sliced, cooked beets into clean, sterilized pint jars. Once the beets are in, pour the hot pickling brine over them, making sure every beet slice is completely submerged. Leave about 1/2 inch of headspace at the top of each jar. Gently tap the jars on your counter to release any trapped air bubbles, ensuring a good seal. Finally, let's ensure your pickled beets are ready for long-term enjoyment. Wipe the jar rims clean, then secure the lids and bands finger-tight. Process the jars in a boiling water canner for 10 minutes to ensure shelf stability. After processing, let them cool completely and check that each jar has sealed properly. Store your delicious, sweet pickled beets in a cool, dark place for up to 1 year, ready to enjoy anytime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.